Hello and welcome to MARRC, or Multiple Autonomous Remote Robot Coordination. My name is Tim Stevens and I will be walking you through the elements of MARRC systems today. First, what is MARRC? MARRC is a system for next-generation cartography. There are many dangerous situations in today's world, hostile environments. Take a deadly accident, a plane crash, or a train wreck. Robots can enter these situations and map them out before sending human bodies in to recover the black box or any injured passengers. It's also great for home use. If you have a flood in your basement and you want to map out that flood before going down there so you don't get electrocuted. The MARRC system is designed to map out any area that multiple of these robots are released into to prevent human endangerment. A MARRC bot is a robot that learns about its environment with others in its system and shares that information with each other so that the robots are more efficient while mapping, as well as being able to print out that information so that a human can read it and see the dangers or clear areas to go through in any situation. A MARRC bot is made up of simply a Roomba robot and a netbook, and as well as a webcam. These three components are put together in a platform that can then navigate an environment and learn about it. The Roomba, of course, is not able to go underwater now, but hopefully in the future it will be able to not only go underwater, but also fly and anything else for navigation. That will, of course, require a different robotic platform. The MARRC package gives the user a synchronized understanding of surroundings. It is fully scalable, meaning you can have anywhere from 2 to theoretically thousands of these MARRC bots to map out an area, up to the point where humans could theoretically send a MARRC system to Mars and have these robots running around on Mars and get us a fully mapped out from the ground map of Mars as opposed to satellite images. Each of these MARRC bots is fully self-contained and autonomous, meaning it could run on its own as well. And finally, any human that uses it gets access to a very easy to read map of anywhere this MARRC was deployed. The MARRC system is not only for mapping, however. Hopefully the mapping is just one simple application of a much more complicated system of robot coordination, which will ultimately enable robots to assign tasks to each other to be much more efficient in construction or safety applications or transportation. So MARRC is ultimately a system of coordination that will begin being used for mapping, but then spread out into many other applications. Thank you very much.